A cleft is a gap or split in the upper lip. It may also affect the roof of the mouth, known as the palate. More than 1,200 babies are born every year in the UK with a cleft. The Cleft Collective study is one of the largest studies of cleft in the world and was set up to answer 3 key questions. What are the causes of cleft lip and palate? What are the best treatments? How might a cleft affect a child as they develop? We are in a unique position in the UK because of the NHS and our population size. This means we can recruit participants via their local NHS cleft teams from all across the UK. Participants recruited into the study can choose to donate biological samples, including blood, tissue, umbilical cord blood, and saliva. We ask participants and healthcare professionals to fill out questionnaires, allowing us to gather important information. For some children in the study, we collect audio recordings of the babbling noises they make whilst learning to speak. We also ask consent from our participants to use their medical and educational records for our research. All the data we collect is stored securely and anonymously. Using all of this information, we can answer important questions relating to cleft. For example, in the laboratory we will extract DNA from the biological samples to look for genetic factors which may contribute to causing a cleft. We will use information from the questionnaires to study the well-being of a child as they grow up. The recordings of early speech and babies babbling can help to identify which children born with clefts are likely to need more support with their speech development. We value the opinions of those affected by cleft, which is why we involve them in the development of our research. We collaborate with scientists and healthcare professionals such as surgeons, nurses, speech and language therapists, psychologists, dentists and audiologists from across the UK and around the world. Thank you to all our study participants, the NHS cleft teams and the Scar-Free Foundation for making this research possible. If you'd like to find out more or get in touch, then visit www.bristol.ac.uk/cleft-collective, or you can find us on Facebook, or follow us on Twitter @Cleft Collective.